I was actually very happy with the fact that it was different because everyone wants to do something that's different and because that's just more interesting to do. And I like the entire package. I like the fact that Eros was producing and Rajiv and Paresh Rawal were the actors because they have very strong performances, and if the actors aren't good then the story can fall flat. So I was glad with the actors. I was glad that Adi is a very approachable director. So I liked the entire team. I liked that my character was strong and someone who's there from start to finish. I'm not just there for the songs or whatever. I'm there from start to finish and I have a strong character. I have a meaty character rather. So I was very happy that I got it. And it only makes complete sense to be a part of such a film. Mr. Rawal has a wicked sense of humor. He has his choice of language is brilliant and he says everything with a straight face, which just makes it even funnier. To the extent that even when he was telling me serious stories, I was still laughing. And he'd look at me with this, I don't think this girl understands what I'm saying, because he would be telling a serious story. But I just think the way he says it and his language and his facial expressions just make everything very entertaining for me. So I just love listening to stories from him. So it was very one-sided, our communication. I'd listen and he'd talk. But he's a brilliant actor. There's nothing I can say that you don't already know. He's very good with being dark as he is with comedy. And Rajiv, I think, is very focused. He's very hardworking. He's always thinking about the film and how it's being shot, which angle, what's being covered, how it comes out looking. He also thinks about the audience because see, you've read the script as actors. You've read the script, and so you know what you're supposed to do. But sometimes what you do could change the meaning for the audience. The audience might not understand it the way you intend it to. So his complete understanding of filmmaking is very good. So sometimes he questions you. He's like, okay, we've done this expression, but will the audience pick up on that, on the meaning that we're trying to deliver? So I just like how much thought he puts into it. So it's just fun to learn and watch from that. There are many difficult scenes because as the game progresses, it gets difficult. The tasks are difficult, and it come back to the previous point that it's not normal. So for you to understand how to do a particular scene is very difficult because there are 5,000 ways of doing it. That's the challenge, to pick the one way to do it that you think is best, and to do it to the best of your ability so that it comes across as dramatic and strong. So a lot of the towards the climax, the second half of the film was very, very challenging every step of the way, because you want to get it, you want the thrill and the pace of it to escalate. So to keep that in your mind and to build your performance up accordingly to match the script and to match the edit is, if I'm making sense, is quite a challenge. But that's the thing. That's why I took the film, because it's not easy to do, because there is a challenge all across, and that's very rare for girls. So I completely lapped it up and enjoyed myself. Hi, I'm Tina Desai, and you can catch me on movietalkies.com. Thanks.